Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're gonna explore Cornwall Park and at the same time we're going up into the mountain on top of One Tree Hill and we're gonna show you the beautiful 360 degrees view of Auckland City. It's very windy right now. I don't know if you can hear me on this video, but it's really windy and the wind is so very strong. But nothing gonna stop us in exploring this beautiful place. So, are you ready? Come on down and let's explore together this area. As you can see behind me, people just come here for fun, having a picnic, just sitting on the grass and just being connected with the nature, and that is a very good thing for the family to do together. And yeah, you can see there, it's a massive park. So there are many people here because it's Saturday. So I am actually expecting that a lot of people will come here and just gather here, just sit on the grass. You can see the people behind me. They are actually enjoying their time of their life here and being with the nature. I really like the park because the park is so massive. A lot of trees, a lot of flowers over there. And yeah, it is really nice place to be in. And I have seen a lot of people here on the gazebo having a barbecue over there in front of me and just a family bonding time, I guess. And just they come here, eat together, and just feel with the nature. This is the journey starts. We're gonna walk for about less than 2 kilometers on top of the mountain, and we're gonna explore the place, and I'm gonna show you the beauty of Auckland City. So we now reach to the point that you can no longer bring the cars up into the mountain. So you have to park the car over here behind me, and you have to walk up into the mountain on that side of the hill. You can see the people behind me. There, we have to climb up to the mountain until we reach the obelisk. You can see here the very high, it's a very high obelisk over there on top of the mountain. And we have to walk by foot from here. And that road is really steep. So we have to be brave enough to reach the top of the mountain. So yeah, it's really windy right now. There are three craters here in One Tree Hill. We have the central crater, east crater, and west crater. So I just reached the top of the mountain. So it's really amazing. The view is so nice, and it's really good to see the 360 degrees view of Auckland City. So this obelisk behind me was actually built in honor of the Maori people who fought against the Europeans back in the days. So it's over 100 years old obelisk. It's very high. Actually, it's more than 50 meters high. Every time I come here in One Tree Hill, it's a surreal experience because I could see, the 360 degrees view of Auckland, New Zealand, and apart from that, it reminded me the cultural heritage of New Zealand, especially the Maori people who really fought hard against the European to. To guard or to reclaim the freedom of New Zealand against them. So yeah, that's the meaning, and there is a deep cultural connection of this obelisk behind me, and then that is something that we need to treasure all throughout the years. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please consider subscribing on my channel. And please don't forget to like this video and let me know your thoughts about Cornwall Park and One Tree Hill. Until then, see you and God bless.